A very happy morning to everyone here. I hope you all are doing well. So, the topic for today, synergy search, such a wonderful topic, and it's quite relevant to health and wellness, which is where I specialize in. And the topic that I'm going to talk about is consistency and sustaining those habits that drive your transformation. So, when things like exercise, nutrition, sleep come in synergy, your life surges, and that helps you with the transformation. So, let's talk about the learning outcomes for this talk. We start with consistency in adherence, adhering to healthy habits, making the right choices, coming to exercise programming or nutrition. And the second point, lifestyle disorders can be reversed through evidence based methods. And then we have sustainability over quick fixes. In this context, when I say sustainability, it's about sustaining healthy habits long term. And then lessons that we take away from my transformation and my rehabilitation. So I've come a really long way, which I'm grateful for. And then we have the 3P framework that I came up with through my journey of rehabilitation that works on building your mindset. So let's have a look at my transformation from obesity to athleticism, mastering holistic health. This was me, and this is me today, and I stand in front of you to motivate you all and inspire you. And the best part is, I still have that smile, spreading positivity as a health and wellness expert. So, a quick look at my bio. So, I'm a globally certified health coach, and the main part here is as a health educator, I motivate and inspire people, building awareness in health, and also a founder of a wellness and health platform called as Health Progress Coach, dealing with reversing lifestyle disorders through evidence based methods. Lifestyle disorders can be reversed. So, a few facts that I'd like to share, slightly alarming and that we all need to be aware of. So, India is the global leader of diabetes, over 7 crore individuals as of 2025. So, that is quite alarming, and it's about time we are aware of the choice that we make. So, how does diabetes start? It starts with insulin resistance, basically impaired response of your cells to insulin. That's how it all starts. And that hampers your glucose absorption, that cause a cascade of all other conditions and health issues. So this is basically the gateway for metabolic disorders, which are basically things like dyslipidemia, which is high cholesterol, hypertension, and cardiovascular diseases, and other comorbidities. So, it all starts with diabetes. The reason I've chosen diabetes is because you understand how you can optimize it. So, how do we address all this? It starts with your foundation, which is your dietary and lifestyle based interventions. Having or working on your fiber and protein intake slows down your insulin spike, which sort of helps you with your health and addressing lifestyle disorders. Also, exercise contributes to slowing down the insulin response, which again sets the foundation. So, how do we address all these health conditions? It starts with adherence to healthy habits. It starts with nutrition, and as per research, your transformation results are predicted through how well you adhere to a healthy habit. So this is where I would recommend starting with things that you enjoy. Sustainable habits align with a model called as biopsychosocial, which addresses holistic health, made popular by George L. Engel. So it starts with the first point, which is biological, that addresses nutrition, sleep, and exercise. The second point is psychological, which contains intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, stress management, and mindset. And the last aspect of this is social, wherein it matters the kind of people you choose around you, your community, and your support system. So, all this contributes to your health. Transformation is not just fat loss, because fat loss, to be honest, is not a big deal. You cut down on calories, on a calorie deficit, and increase physical activity, you lose weight. But what's more important is how long you sustain that transformation. And this is where consistency comes in. Let's talk about a few of my achievements. I'm elated to share that I have successfully finished 500 days of running every single day and staying physically active. And all this is documented on an application called as Strava, running an average of 3 kilometers per day and dedicating at least 1 hour for physical activity. This includes a combination of strength training, calisthenics, and yoga. And I'm the living proof that progress is not perfection, but all about showing up every single day. So let's talk about a little bit about my rehabilitation journey. It started in 2013, trying to lose weight, and I successfully did. I lost about 40 odd kilos, and by 2017, I was able to run 10 kilometers comfortably in 45 minutes. But that wasn't the end of my journey. In fact, that was the beginning of my journey because I ended up injuring myself with chronic pain. I also developed IBS, which research doesn't really have a permanent cure. And I'm really grateful that I did come out of that situation through corrective exercise and nutrition. And I personally broke all my records moving forward, from unable to lift a pen off the floor, being agonized of just the thought of lifting a pen off the floor because of chronic low back and joint issues. Now thriving as a hybrid athlete, mastering multiple dimensions of fitness. So, just to name a couple of them, 5 kilometers in 20 minutes. And the last I checked, the VO2 max, which 60 plus, basically it's the efficiency with which your body utilizes oxygen, and that number is considered superior. So, it's not just about your cardiovascular endurance, your strength also matters. So, is anyone here who knows the deadlift exercise? Yes. So I have a record of lifting 3 times my body weight, and that depicts the relative strength. And it doesn't end there. I also have a record in calisthenics and yoga. It's called as Lolasana, which is the pendant pose. In the calisthenics world, it's called as the tuck planche. So I have a 20-second record displaying full body control and awareness. So, when we talk about holistic health, your mental health also plays a major role. And just wanted to share a few points about how meditation has helped me through my transformation journey. Research shows that meditation can help with overall health and well being, and I use it to build mental toughness personally. So, let's move on to the 3 P's framework that has helped me build the right mindset to face these adversities of my life and come out of them successfully. So, the first one is perspective, the way you see struggles. What I would recommend is having a positive perspective, and there is always another person in the world who is going through an exact or a very similar situation that you are going through. So that's what I kept reminding myself during tough times, during my rehabilitation journey. The second point is perseverance. Keep showing up even if the progress is slow. So it's all about consistent efforts here again. Last point is patience because results take time, and this is where your persistency and perseverance matters. So we are almost at the end of my talk. So the key takeaways from this talk, it all starts with consistency, and that sets the foundation to reverse lifestyle disorders. And of course, your sustainable habits matter. This drives your transformation, and you build the right mindset using the 3P framework. So, a special message that I have for all the youth: humility is the new hot, and consistency is the new cool. For good measure, let me say consistency is the new sexy because what is more desirable than you showing up every single day to be a better version of yourself? Closing it with the last line: when habits, health, and humility meet in synergy, that's when life surges. Start humble, stay strong, and live long. Stay consistent. Thank you so much.